Hey Gene, I got your Magnum 1 on the bench here. Alright, turn that scanner down. Oh, let me show you what it's doing. This is on AM and I'm on channel 20. There, I got a 25 watt slug on that side and I got a 100 watt slug on this side. So we're going to be reading on the bottom scale over here. This is the peak meter. Audio, hello, audio. Audio, 1 2 1 2, audio. Okay, you wanted me to turn the RF power down to 2. Okay, like I said, this is a 25 watt. Right now I'm reading on the top scale. You can see we're at about 7 watts right there with it turned all the way down. The reason I wanted to show you that is when I turn this guy down, I'm going to set the camera down for a second. See if I can get it pointed at the meter where it'll stay. Oop, wrong way. Yeah, that's about 2 watts. Audio, hello, audio. You see, we lose a little on the top end when I turn it all the way down to 2. Let's see if we get it back now when I turn it all the way up. Audio. Yeah, we'll actually get a little more peak out of it. Audio. All right, doing about that's about 90 watts peak. We dead key about 20 and swing to, what is that, 30, about 35 with the dead key turned down to 2. Right now I've got the RF power turned all the way up. We turn it all the way back down again. We're reading on that top scale because I've got a 25 watt slug in there. And I said 20 and 30 a while ago. I meant 10 and 12. What was that? Oh yeah, so that would have been 12 and a half that we were swinging to. Shit, I don't remember. But that's 2 watts right there. Swinging to about 5 on RMS. Then if you look over here at peak, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, audio test. Reading on that bottom scale, so it's still running up to about 60 watts, even with the power turned all the way down, about 60 watts peak. Then when I turn the RF power all the way up, audio, hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio. It will tickle 90 watts. Okay, that's on AM. Let's go to sideband and see what it does. Now that power adjustment was just for AM. It's not for sideband. Audio, hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio. Audio. About 80 watts SSB. And how many watts RMS? Audio is pegging it out. So let me change that to a 50. Okay, audio, about 37 RMS. Okay, told you I was going to make you a video of it. And, you know, here's the improvements. I put the hot glue around the power connector, so if you use an aftermarket power connector, it won't push the pins out. Magnum has started doing something like that. They took my recommendation and they started putting hot glue on the pins in the back, but they don't put anything that will grab a hold of like the case or whatever to keep the pins from being pushed out. They just put it across the back of the power connector. Well, if it starts pushing one pin, it can push them all out. I've seen it. I tried it. So I put more hot glue on it and actually go around and put it down on this thing so it can't be pushed out and it can't be pulled away from that. Okay, so you can use an aftermarket power connector. And upgraded your DC input buffer filter. It was a 1000, it's a 3300 now. Same thing with the voltage regulator buffer filter. You can see I had done the hot glue all around the little jumpers that Magnum installs for the mods that we all like. And there's your dual filter upgrade. Now all this was done before. Okay, I'm just showing it to you now because I'm making a video. Alright, but I've set your dead key down to 2 watts if you turn the RF power all the way down. Okay, so don't forget to do that. You're going to run an amp behind it. That's it. I guess I'm getting ready to put it back together and ship it back to you, but I promised you a video, so I wanted to do that video and show you the output power. And what I'm using for a microphone is that little amplified mic I got wired up for a Magnum. Hang on a second. We've done it this way to start with. But you can see this is your radio. This is number 2. And I guess you had lotion on your hands when you grabbed the case because I can see your fingerprints. But there it is. Okay. Nice radio. I love these radios. I've got 3 trucks and all 3 trucks have this radio in it. I've got Ranger, the 2970 N4s. Well, I would show you that mess I got over there. I got them piled up now in my shop here. I took them out and replaced them with these. I need to put amplifiers behind them, of course. But it's hard to find an amplifier that will take the output power this guy here does. Even those like that DX667V says it's variable, but this thing here burns out real quick if you try to turn it down to where that you can drive it with this radio. I really like the sensitivity of these radios too. We can talk further between trucks with these than we can with like the 959s or whatever. But we can't talk as far as we can with the 2970 N4s, obviously, because the N4s put out about 400 watts, a little over 400 watts. So I need to buy a bunch of amplifiers like some DX350s or whatever, and then go in and modify them so I can use these radios to drive them, because we operate on sideband, not on AM, unless we're on the road. Okay, but anyway, there it is. Hang on a second. It's got your screws in it. Set it up here so that you can hear it. And you know about the high cut switch, I hope. I don't know if you run on 19 or if you talk sideband or what, but high cut is channel specific. Okay, like on channel 19 here, I can press the function button and then come over here and turn on high cut. And I was probably running my mouth so you didn't get to hear it, but let me do it again. Hear the difference? That's off. That's on. It's a really nice feature. It's channel specific. Okay, I really like to use it on sideband. Okay, it's a nice little radio, it really is. My gain is set on 63, and this is what I'm using. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Okay, all right. I'm gonna get it boxed up and on its way back to you. Gene, thanks for your business.